Let's bake from my book, and these cheese straws are just the absolute perfect aperitif bite, and I'm making them with the easiest homemade puff pastry ever, promised. Look at this, the dough is just flour with lots of butter, salt, and then I'm adding a magic ingredient which is going to make it super yummy and super succulent. It's cream cheese. Oh yes, this is how to make a cheese puff pastry in no time. Usually you'd have to laminate the dough with lots of fresh butter, and it's so much work, but this dough just now needs to set in the fridge for a couple of hours, and then it can be rolled out, and there's no folding and crazy things going on. It's just simply rolling it out. Now for the cheese twist bit. I am spreading lots of mustard on the surface, then the cheese and some bacon lardons. If you want to make it vegetarian, you can use red onion, which is also fantastic. Of course, lots of pepper. And then I am folding over the dough so that it's all sealed in between, and I am pressing it down again. This helps a lot to seal it. And then I am twisting them. I'm making long and short twists because sometimes you feel like having a long one, sometimes you want to have a short one for a little bite. Yeah, very handy. And then my topping is obviously an egg wash. And then I am using my spice duo. My bagel spice is coming out today. And this is really pure magic. It is sesame seeds and smoked garlic, onion powder, and also lots of pepper and salt. And it just makes it taste so much more special than if you used random sesame seeds. So make sure to get my spice duo. Quick stint in the oven, and then here you have it. They are proper crispy, buttery, succulent, Moorish cheese twists, and I tell you, you will want to make double, triple, quadruple the amount because they are gone in no time. Seriously, this is Christmas sorted, and New Year's Eve too.